Well, for a problem like number 9, we are definitely going to use one of the main power series. So look for a power series that has n factorial on the bottom and something raised to the nth power on top. No factorials on the bottom, no factorials on the bottom. Here's factorials on the bottom, and here as well, and here as well. So it's probably going to be one of these 3. All right, what else? Well, the exponents, this ln of, it's supposed to be a 3 there, ln of 3 to the 1 power, and then the 2 power, and then the 3 power, then the nth power, doesn't work for the cosine and sine functions. Those powers are all even or all odd, but it does for the e's. So this is probably going to be a series for e to the x. And if we input into the function e ln of 3, it would go everywhere we see an x, which is there, and there, and there, which is exactly what we had. So what we have is exactly equal to e raised to the ln of 3, and e raised to the ln of 3, well, that's equal to 3.